Your resume is a reflection of your experience and who you are. Make sure it is a good one. Hi there, I'm Abdul Samad. Welcome back to my channel, where we bring you tips and tricks to level up your personal and professional life. Today, we are diving into an essential skill: how to create a stand-out resume. Whether you are just starting your career or looking for a change, this video will walk you through every step to craft a resume that's get noticed. Let's jump right in. First thing first, the layout. Your resume needs to look clean, professional, and easy to read. Avoid disordered and fancy font. Use simple modern fonts like Arial or Caliber and keep the font size between 10 and 12 for the main text. Organize your information into a clear sections: contact information, summary, work experience, education, and skills. Pro tip: use bullet points to keep it scannable. Save your resume as a PDF to maintain formatting. Step 2. Set up header. Your name, email address, phone number, LinkedIn profile goes in a header section. Step 3. Craft a compelling summary. Your summary is the first thing recruiter will read, so make it count. Think of is at your elevator pitch in 2-3 sentences. Highlight your top skills, experience, and what makes you unique. Avoid generic statements like "I am a hardworking professional." Instead, try something like marketing specialist with a 5+ year of experience driving a successful campaign and increasing a brand engagement with 30%. Passionate about innovating strategies and a team collaboration. 4. Showcase relevant work experience. Now onto the most important section, your work experience. List your jobs in the reverse chronological order, starting with the most recent. For each role, include job title, the company name, date of employment, and key accomplishment. Use action verbs like led, designed, developed, or increased to describe your impact. Quantify your achievements whenever possible. For example, instead of saying managed social media accounts, say increased social media engagement by 50% within 6 months by implementing targeted strategies. Step 5. Highlight your education. Education is a straightforward, but it's still important. List your degrees, the school you attended, and graduation dates. If you are a recent graduate, you can also include relevant coursework or academic honors. But if you would been working for a while, keep the section brief and focused. Step 6. Include skills that match the job. Your skills section is where you tailor your resume to the job you're applying for. Look at the job description and include the skills they are seeking if you have them. Divide your skills into technical skills like software proficiency and software skills such as communication or leadership. Just make sure to be honest. Proofread and perfect. Last but definitely not least, proofread your resume. Spelling and grammar mistake can ruin a great first impression. Use tools like Grammarly or ask a friend to review it for you. And don't forget to double check your contact information. You don't want to miss the opportunity because of typo in your email address. And there you go, have it. A step-by-step guide to create a resume that stands out from the crowd. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more career tips and let me know in the comment what job you're applying for next. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay happy, stay healthy.